All right, so this is house number 3 behind me, Elnora. Look at this. Acre of property all the way down there. This was a special house, and I'll tell you why, because this is what I love to do. This house right here, they called us and said, we are moving to a different area, but we're not sure what we're gonna net from this house because this is an acre of property, no HOA, no CDD. We're just kind of confused. I said, listen, this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna put your house on the market. We're gonna do an unbelievable open house extravaganza. You can see people are lined up down the street this way and this way. We're gonna go over everything. We're gonna go over what you would make, see if it makes sense, what your net would be, and then we can go from there. At the same time, we'll reach an agent to where you're looking to move to and saying, if they net X amount of dollars, are they gonna be able to find something? And guess what? It doesn't cost anything. It was free of charge to them to do this. That's what we do. There's no cancellation fee. We don't charge transaction fees. We don't charge nonsense fees because we want people to be comfortable working with us, knowing that we take care of our clients. So if they decide, hey, Karen, we appreciate everything you did, it just doesn't make sense, no problem. It doesn't matter. And guess what? We walk away, we part as friends, we keep in contact, they come to our parties and whatnot, and maybe 4 or 5 years down the road, they decide to sell, great. So this is why open houses work so well, because you're getting free information. Wow, we got more offers. Wow, we got all this. Hey, maybe we'll do a lease back. Maybe we'll see if these people will lease us a house for a couple months. Open houses are your best feedback you can possibly get, or best knowing free information. There you go. So if you have any questions on your house, in 2 days, I can give you pretty much all the answers. So this was house number 3, on to house number 4.